Shoemaker Manufacturing's online tools are best in class and help tremendously in the finding, specifying, quoting, and ordering of grilles, registers, and diffusers. We've given you many ways to find the best products for your next project, including our product finder, cross-reference, linear wizard, and our browse commercial pages. For engineers and contractors, we have tools that allow you to create and save schedules and lists. A schedule can be exported to a list from which you can request a quote from your distributor, which really streamlines the process. At the heart of the Shoemaker tools is the configurator, which lets you quickly and accurately build out the exact product you need. The tool can be found on product pages, in price lookup, quotes, and orders. And the best part is, you can't create something we can't build. When you're ready to buy, we give you 3 ways: price lookup, quote for projects with multiple products, or go straight to the order screen. See Shoemaker's other video on how to create a quote if you'd like a preview. Get an account today and start making your business life easier with Shoemaker Manufacturing's wide array of online tools.